found somebody who cares.
Are you feeling hopeless in your marriage? Feeling like ever since you entered your marriage, you've not been enjoying life or feeling contented with yourself? Feeling like your kids, job, career is getting in the way of your marriage? Feeling like your marriage is going downhill? Well, I want to introduce to you a program titled Marriage Flavor. Apostle Chris and Prophetess Joan Chege have joined together to encourage people that marriage works.
You want your husband to change. Are you changed? Most women, you want your husband to change. Are you changed?
Because marriage was created for two people to come together and love each other and to be able to accomplish the work of God together. So join them on Marriage Flavor, spicing up marriages.
When I found you, I found love.